Chand Hathaili per Moon on the Palm. Written by Abdul Basit Khan. Keeping in view my interest and experience in travel and tourism, I always look for unusual books. One of my mentors gave me a melodious travelogue written by Mr. Abdul Basit Khan. After reading it, I decided to write a review on it. The author has engrossed his lifelong experiences, sharing moments of sorrow and happiness both, and has embellished it with lyrics of his choice according to situations to fit in. Titled as Chand Hathaili per, in simple Urdu language, much better be called as Highway to Heaven, as this book is a detailed travel guide for a tourist who wishes to visit and explore the beauty of Pakistan. The choice of expression can be felt by everyone who reads this book as if being accompanied by the author and his friends in the journey. In spite of being partially disabled after a serious medical problem as a result of a tumor developed in his leg, Bاسط didn't give up in any phase of his life, and he expresses his tremendous romance with his motherland, the beautiful Pakistan. This book is his first experience after getting motivated by his friends and family. What makes it unique is the melodious nature of Básط. He has synchronized each of his visits with lyrics of different songs, hence writing his travelogue with embedded musical notes. Básط has shared his bitter experiences with deep emotions which a reader can feel. However, there are certain things which might be detailed, but one should ignore them, as this book must be encouraged more as an elaborated travel guide. Observing this book through the eyes of a tourist, Básط has mentioned every single detail about the areas he had visited, either it may be its flora and fauna, lodging and sightseeing, etc., covering the exotic places across northern Pakistan. Moreover, the author has added maps, details of distance covered, and the harmony of mesmerizing weather along with the culture and tradition of the places visited. The beauty of this book is that it is romantic in nature, well expressed through songs with his friends, spouse, or the people he met. Reading onwards each page, one gets emotional and plunged in the beauty of nature, wisely expressing landscapes, waterfalls, and meadows, along with the hospitality of people whom the author met during his journey. Básط describes the joy of being with his friends during his journey as a colorful experience of life. Básط must be encouraged to write more about his travel experiences as the way he has done in a better way. Wherever he has felt the events and its explanation is becoming dry, he has filled with details of different types of songs. While reading the book, one can think of a coloring book filled with all shades of colors of life. It is also a motivation for everyone, giving a strong message that if the spirit is high and strong enough, one doesn't need wings to fly. As life is a very precious gift, a disability is actually an ability which makes a person special and unique from others. In a positive note, Básط has given a strong message by depicting his courage, valor, and continuous efforts to conquer the most difficult phases of life. Conclusively, during the whole observation, I didn't unveil the names specifically of the places visited to leave a charm hidden behind each place visited across Pakistan. The best part is for those who are interested to read it in English. This book is available at Amazon and Kindle, titled as Moon on the Palm.